Hi, nice to see you back here on my channel. Today I will do something like an unpacking, but I also have unpacked it because bought a new sewing machine. My old one was unfortunately broken, so I cannot use it. And my new one, which I've chosen, is a little bit more difficult than my old one. The other one just can go straight away and just some zigzag, but nothing more. But when you just see here, I have a lot of different options what I can make with this machine. And this is a normal sewing machine, but I also can prepare it as a free arm sewing machine like this, so that I can do for trousers or so, whatever I want. And I also have a little bit of storage. Just let me see how the storage will open. Maybe I have to put it back here again. Just let me see. Yeah, just a little bit of storage here. And with some different, oh, also with a measurement. Don't have so many measurements, but it doesn't matter. And yeah, some other stuff. And now I want to try how it works because this is my first time. I've just unpacked the machine, and now the moment of truth. I have also some stuff here, but first of all, I need to do it in the. So I need some energy for this one. So let me see if it is long enough here, but I think so. I hope so. Just like me. Maybe yes, maybe no. But I can do it a little bit like this. Okay, it works. But now I have to little be careful so that I don't jump over. Okay, just put it a little bit here. And so that I can give the machine energy. So you can see I've just put it in and directly the lamp is on. I do not know if I can switch it off. Okay, here is an on and off switch. So, okay, so I think there is no energy on the machine. So now I can see how I use this one here. It's something which is on every machine different, but it's very simple here because you see here, if you want to look here, 1, 1, 2 is down here, 3 is there, and then it goes down for 4 and 5. Okay, just give me a second to check how it works. Here's my number 3. I need some more light here. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Oh, here is number 5. I forgot. Okay. The needle is just in because it told me that this is very simple and easy to do this, but it doesn't look so. One second, I think I have to do it a little bit higher, just like here in this position. Okay. It's in. Come on. But it is not so easy, but it doesn't matter. I'm the winner. So Okay, this is here. Maybe for all of you who think that I also have to use this one, I don't need this one here at the moment. Just when I want to do some more of this here on, just let me see where it was. I have here. When I want to do some of the garn here to this one here, then I have to use it there, and then it goes round and it will be fine. But I thought, hopefully I saw that that's correct, that there is something down, yes, correctly. And now I have two different colors, red on the top and white on the bottom, so that I can check how everything is working well, so if the stitches are going well. And so I also have here my testing tool, so that I can see if all will be fine. Just let me start with just a normal stitch. Just let me do this here just a little bit in the other way. So I think this will be easier. So just let me check. But it looks good. Yes. So maybe I can now use another stitch. So what kind of stitch coming around here? What kind of stitch may I try? This was the first one which I do. So maybe let us try this one here. Then I think then I have to switch this one. It was an L. L. Okay. And now the moment of truth. If I was correct, just let me see. I have to do it so. Okay, this is not what I thought. Maybe I also have to switch it here. You see, I'm not a person who reads manuals, so now. Perfect. This is what I thought. Yes. Correct. You can see it here. Just let me push it a little bit away so you can see it a little bit better. Here you see this was the wrong one. This is the correct one. And it looks very, very good. So I think, yes, I can manage it, and everything will be fine with the sewing machine. And I also have, I didn't see it before, maybe I show it to you. I have also a measurement here, so if I don't find a measurement for some seconds or so, I can use it here. And just let me, this was a thing here. Now I'm very happy with my new machine here, and I now can all do my stuff here again, and I don't have to go out and bring it to people who has done this for me. So when I have a trousers done or a skirt or a whatever. So thank you very much for your attention for my new video here. So hope to see you soon here on my channel. And if you enjoy my video, maybe also please subscribe my channel, and then we see us back when I have new videos. So enjoy your day. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.